Yo, what's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Becoming a Very Good Dancer. So for today, I'll be giving us two mistakes we make as a dancer, both professional and upcoming. Number one mistake is dancing with the eye and not the body. You see, many dancers, especially in the age of social media, have learned to depend on mirror, whereby we focus more on how we look like rather than how the movement feels internally, rather than how the movement feels in our body. You should focus more on the movement of the body and how you feel while dancing rather than what you look like while dancing. And number two is prioritizing trick over transition. You see, in dance there's what we call the big move. You see, the big move is mostly applicable to dance battles, especially when you want to end your dance move. The mistake that most dancers do is this: they focus on that big move, neglecting the other steps before the big move, not knowing that those steps are what makes that big move what big move. Situation where a dancer are rushing the whole dance step, rushing the dance because they want to be able to hit that big move for them to show you what they can be during the big move, not knowing that those steps they are neglecting are what will actually make the moment for the big move. So it's advisable to take your time and dance every single step of that particular routine like it's a big move before the main big move. It will help you a lot. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos like this.